Ever wondered why the Spartans are still feared today? You may think it's because of their strength, but it's actually their dark secrets that kept them powerful. But what is it about the Spartans that continues to evoke fear and respect even today? As we explore this topic, we'll uncover the genius-level thinking that underpinned their military strategies and societal structures. The Spartans were not merely brute warriors. They were strategic thinkers who understood the importance of training, discipline, and unity. Their rigorous education system, known as the agoge, produced some of the most skilled fighters in history, instilling a sense of camaraderie and resilience that was unmatched. However, beneath this veneer of brilliance lies a darker side. The Spartan society was built on strict social hierarchies and harsh realities, including the subjugation of the Helots, a class of serfs who worked the land. This duality of genius and darkness is what makes the Spartan legacy so compelling. It raises questions about the cost of their success and the moral implications of their methods. As we journey through this video, we'll delve into the enduring legacy of the Spartans, examining how their fearsome reputation has transcended time. From their legendary battles to their philosophical contributions, the Spartans continue to be a source of intrigue and inspiration. So buckle up as we unravel the secrets of why the Spartans are still feared today and what lessons we can learn from their remarkable yet complex civilization. The Spartan way of life was a unique blend of rigorous training, communal living, and unwavering values that forged one of history's most formidable warrior societies. At the heart of this lifestyle was the agoge, an intense education and training program that every Spartan male underwent from a young age. This system was designed not only to develop physical strength, but also to instill discipline, resilience, and a sense of loyalty to the state. From the age of 7, boys were taken from their families and immersed in a world of tough training, where they learned combat skills, survival tactics, and the importance of teamwork. This grueling regimen created warriors who were not just physically capable, but mentally tough, ready to face any challenge. Communal living was another cornerstone of Spartan society. Families were often separated, and children were raised in groups, fostering a sense of brotherhood among the young warriors. This communal approach extended to all aspects of life, emphasizing the idea that the needs of the state outweighed individual desires. Spartans shared meals, lived in barracks, and trained together, reinforcing their bonds and creating a unified front. This lifestyle cultivated an environment where strength and resilience were not just valued but expected, leading to a society that thrived on collective effort and sacrifice. These values directly shaped Spartan military prowess. The emphasis on discipline and teamwork meant that Spartan soldiers fought as a cohesive unit, employing tactics that relied on their ability to work together seamlessly. Their famous phalanx formation, where soldiers stood shoulder to shoulder, exemplified this unity and strength. The result was a fearsome reputation that echoed through history, as their disciplined approach to warfare allowed them to conquer and defend their territory with unmatched effectiveness. In essence, the Spartan way of life was a powerful engine that fueled their military success and solidified their place in history as one of the most feared civilizations of all time. The Spartans were not just fierce warriors, they were also pioneers of military tactics and innovations that set them apart from their contemporaries. One of the most significant contributions to warfare was the development of the phalanx formation. This tactical arrangement involved soldiers standing shoulder to shoulder in a tight rectangular formation, armed with long spears and large shields. The effectiveness of the phalanx lay in its ability to create a wall of shields that provided protection while allowing soldiers to thrust their spears at the enemy. This formation maximized the Spartans' collective strength and minimized individual vulnerability, making it a formidable strategy on the battlefield. Executed correctly, the phalanx could advance steadily, overwhelming opponents with its sheer force and discipline. Discipline and rigorous training were the backbone of Spartan warfare. The agoge system ensured that every Spartan soldier was not only physically fit, but also mentally prepared for the rigors of battle. This training instilled a sense of loyalty and camaraderie among the soldiers, fostering an environment where they fought not just for themselves, but for their fellow warriors and the state. The emphasis on discipline meant that Spartans could execute complex maneuvers with precision, maintaining formation even under the most chaotic conditions. This level of training and cohesion was rare in ancient armies, giving the Spartans a distinct advantage in combat. The strategies and innovations developed by the Spartans had a lasting impact on military tactics across civilizations. Their emphasis on formation, fighting, and discipline influenced future armies, including the Romans, who adopted and adapted these techniques to enhance their own military effectiveness. The legacy of Spartan warfare can be seen in the evolution of military strategies throughout history, demonstrating how their innovations not only made them formidable opponents in their time, but also shaped the future of warfare for generations to come. While the Spartans are often celebrated for their military prowess and disciplined way of life, there exists a darker side to their civilization that contributes to their fearsome image. One of the most chilling practices was infanticide, particularly the abandonment of newborns deemed unfit for Spartan society. When a child was born, it was subjected to scrutiny by the elders of the community. If the infant showed signs of weakness or deformity, it was often left to die on the slopes of Mount Taygetus. This brutal practice was rooted in the belief that only the strongest should survive, ensuring that the Spartan gene pool remained robust. prowess. The implications of this practice were profound, as it reflected a society that prioritized strength and perfection over compassion, shaping a culture that valued utility above all else. Another dark aspect of Spartan society was the existence of the Helots, a subjugated population primarily composed of the indigenous people of Laconia and Messenia. The Helots were forced to work the land and serve the Spartans, living under constant threat of violence and oppression. To maintain control over this large and resentful population, the Spartans employed brutal tactics, including systematic killings and public displays of violence. The annual Cryptia, a secret police force made up of young Spartans, was tasked with terrorizing the Helots to keep them in check. This oppressive relationship not only instilled fear, but also highlighted the moral complexities of Spartan values, as the very foundation of their society rested on the exploitation of another group. These darker elements of Spartan civilization raise important questions about the moral implications of their values. Emphasis on strength, discipline, and unity led to military success. It also fostered a culture that accepted cruelty and dehumanization. The legacy of these practices has left a complex mark on history, reminding us that the fearsome reputation of the Spartans was built not only on their achievements but also on the darker truths that underpinned their society. The legacy of the Spartans continues to evoke a unique blend of fear and respect in modern times, resonating through various aspects of contemporary culture. One of the most notable reflections of Spartan ideals can be seen in military and athletic cultures around the world. The emphasis on discipline, resilience, and teamwork that characterize Spartan training has influenced modern military training programs, where the principles of camaraderie and physical endurance are paramount. Similarly, in the realm of athletics, the Spartan ethos of pushing beyond limits and embracing hardship is celebrated in competitive sports, where athletes often draw inspiration from the legendary warriors of ancient Greece. This connection to Spartan ideals fosters a sense of respect for their unwavering commitment to excellence and strength. The portrayal of Spartans in popular media and literature has further cemented their legacy. Films like 300 and various novels depict Spartans as the epitome of bravery and heroism, often romanticizing their fierce warrior spirit. These portrayals, while sometimes exaggerated, tap into the collective imagination, reinforcing the idea of the Spartans as symbols of courage and sacrifice. Such representations contribute to a cultural narrative that celebrates not only their military prowess, but also their unwavering dedication to their values, making them enduring icons of strength. Moreover, the psychological impact of the Spartans' historical reputation on modern society cannot be overlooked. The fear and respect they command serve as a reminder of the complexities of human nature and the lengths to which societies will go to achieve greatness. This duality prompts reflection on contemporary issues such as leadership, sacrifice, and the moral implications of strength. As we navigate a world that often grapples with similar themes, the legacy of the Spartans continues to resonate, challenging us to consider what it truly means to be strong and how we define respect in our own lives. Ultimately, the Spartans remain a powerful symbol, evoking both admiration and contemplation in the hearts and minds of people today. As we wrap up our exploration of the Spartans, it's essential to recap the key takeaways that highlight their unique civilization. We've delved into the Spartan lifestyle, characterized by rigorous training and communal living, which fostered a sense of unity and resilience among its warriors. Their military strategies, particularly the innovative phalanx formation, showcased their tactical brilliance and discipline, allowing them to dominate on the battlefield. However, we also uncovered the darker secrets of Spartan society, including the brutal practices of infanticide and the harsh treatment of the Helots, which raise complex moral questions about their values and legacy. The enduring legacy of the Spartans continues to shape our perceptions of strength and discipline today. Their ideals resonate in modern military training and athletic cultures, where the emphasis on teamwork, resilience, and pushing beyond limits remains relevant. Additionally, the portrayal of Spartans in popular media keeps their fierce reputation alive, reminding us of the complexities of human nature and the sacrifices made in the name of greatness. We hope this journey through Spartan history has sparked your interest and encouraged you to reflect on the lessons we can learn from their civilization. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into more historical content, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach more history enthusiasts who are eager to explore the fascinating stories of the past. Your engagement not only supports our work, but also fosters a community of learners who appreciate the rich tapestry of human history. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more captivating insights into the world of history in our upcoming videos.